this video is about glomerular filtration rate. So what is glomerular filtration rate? Glomerular filtration rate is the quantity or the amount of the filtrate produced by the glomerular capillaries. So this glomerular filtration rate, this quantity is used as an estimation for the normal functioning of the kidneys and the nephrons. So this glomerular filtration rate gives the quantity and the amount that is used to detect either the kidneys or the nephrons are functioning normal or not. So it usually assesses the functions of the kidneys. So glomerular filtration rate, as the name indicates, glomerular filtration. So glomerular filtration, as you have learned in the previous videos about the process of the glomerular filtration, that glomerular filtration is the process for the formation of the filtrate. So what would be the glomerular filtration rate? As the formation of the rate means it indicates the quantity or the amount, that at which quantity, that what is the quantity or the amount at which the filtrate is formed. The filtrate, it tells about the amount of the filtrate of all the nephrons present in the both kidneys, that all in the both kidneys, all the nephrons, that how much filtrate, the total filtrate is formed by the both kidneys and the nephrons present in them in a given unit of time. So rate, glomerular filtration rate or GFR, it tells about the amount or the quantity of the filtrate formed by the glomerular capillaries. So as the that how much filtrate is formed, because glomerular filtration rate in the glomerular filtration process, as the it forms the filtrate. So this filtrate is formed because when the blood entering the glomerulus, it enters 650 ml per minute of the blood enters into the glomerulus, and out of this 650 ml per minute of the blood, the filtrate formed, that the filtrate is composed of the plasma and other soluble substances. So this filtrate uh, is formed is 120 milliliter per minute. So this 120 milliliter per minute is the glomerular filtration rate, because while entering into the glomerulus, the blood amount is the 650 milliliter per minute, and then the filtrate formed at the rate of the 120 milliliter per minute. So the filtrate that is formed by these glomerular capillaries, there are specific determinants and pressures involved in the formation of the filtrate. So when the filtrate is formed, what is the composition of the filtrate? As the blood enters into these glomerular capillaries 650 ml per minute, and then out of that the filtrate is formed is about 125 milliliter per minute. So that's why it is known as the glomerular filtration rate. So the filtrate formed, it has the specific composition. What does it contain? That it does not contain the large proteins. Large proteins stay inside these blood capillaries because they cannot pass through this membrane. And then the filtrate has the specific composition, that it is composed of the plasma and contains the other soluble and small particles. So what does it contain? It contains the electrolytes. It's composed of certain metabolic waste, that the waste that are produced through different metabolic processes in the body. It contains different metabolites that has to be eliminated from the body, and they have some useless substances, and then low molecular proteins and peptides. So the filtrate composed of all these things. So when this filtrate then travels down into the nephron, into the tubular portion, then into the tubules, the almost 99% of the filtrate is reabsorbed, that useful substances are reabsorbed, and the other remaining waste products are eliminated out from the body. So glomerular filtration rate, as the filtrate, there is the formation of the filtrate, that there is the specific amount of the filtrate formation per minute. So the normal glomerular filtration rate quantity is about 125 milliliter per minute, or if you measure it in liters, it will be 180 liters per day. So this amount of filtrate is produced by the human body um, from the glomerular capillaries. So this GFR is 125 milliliter per minute, as I have told you that 650 ml blood enters into the efferent arteriole, and out of that the filtrate formation is 125 milliliter per minute. So this GFR, glomerular filtration rate, is calculated by specific formula. or there are certain online calculators through which you can calculate this GFR, and glomerular filtration rate is actually tells you about the functions of the about the functioning of the kidney, that either functioning is functioning normal or there is some disease or abnormality. So glomerular filtration rate is can be used as an assessment tool to detect the functions of the kidney. So there are certain parameters or are required for detection of the GFR. There is certain formula in which these quantities are and these parameters are required to find out the GFR. So what are these parameters? These parameters are, there is the creatinine. So creatinine is the metabolic product of the protein metabolism. So from the protein, then this creatinine, it, it is filtered out from the glomerular capillaries, and then reabsorption rate for the creatinine is very less. So this creatinine is used as an assessment tool, can be used to detect the glomerular filtration rate, because it will be filtered out from the glomerular capillaries, and then reabsorption is also less for this creatinine. So this for through this creatinine detection, or to the determination or identification of this creatinine, and for along with the creatinine in the formula, age, gender, weight and height are also required. So age, gender, height and weight of the person, and the creatinine level of that person. If you want to assess the GFR level for someone, then you have to detect the you should know about these parameters. You will know about the creatinine level, age, gender, weight and height. Then by putting them into the specific formula or into the calculators for the GFR calculations, then after calculating all these, you will know about the exact quantity of the glomerular filtration rate. Then they will tell you uh, about the conditions of the kidneys. So what are these conditions, and how you can assess the glomerular on the basis of the quantities of the glomerular filtration rate, about the person's conditions, about the person kidneys health, how you can assess the kidneys health. It will be assessed by the glomerular filtration rate. So it is divided into three categories. That as the glomerular filtration rate normal is 125 milliliter. So if this 660 to 120 milliliter, or between below 60 to 15 or below 50. So they are divided, GFR values or quantities are divided into different categories. So what they indicate, if the GFR level of the GFR glomerular filtration rate is 60 milliliter per minute or higher than 60, then it's normal. Like 125 milliliter is normal. So from 60 is also considered is normal. So 60 and above 60, like from 60 to 125 milliliter, if someone has the glomerular filtration rate, then the glomerular filtration rate is determined, as I told you about the parameters that you must know about the that person creatinine level, age, gender, weight and height. So from 60 or above 60 milliliter per minute, it indicates that kidneys are function normal. So it indicates the normal functioning of the kidney. So for healthy kidneys and for the healthy nephrons, the GFR for the healthy persons, the glomerular filtration rate values must come between the 60 and 125 milliliter per minute. But if the glomerular filtration rate is below 60 milliliter per minute, like from 16 up to 15, but not that much low, so that values for the glomerular filtration rate indicates some kidney diseases, because the filtration process is not normal. The formation of filtrate is not normal, and it's not forming at the normal rate. It means that there must be some abnormality, or must be some obstruction or some diseases in the nephrons of the kidney. So below this, like from 15 or below 15, so it's very rare that there is no formation of filtrate, or there is very less formation of the filtrate. So it indicates a severe kidney failure, because kidneys and these have the most important role. The filtrate is basically, it contains the waste products and other harmful substances, and to maintain the balance and homeostasis of the body. So the filtrate is formed. So if there is no filtration formation and there is no excretion of these substances, it will also be accumulated in the body, and will also lead to other toxicities of the body. So these values are very important to assess the functions of the kidneys and to assess their normal working. Okay, if there is not working normally, then their values will, the GFR, if the kidneys or the nephrons are not working normal, then their GFR values will be fluctuating, they must be low. So it indicates the kidney diseases and it may indicate the severe kidney failure. So as the values, normal is 125 milliliter per minute. So GFR value between 60 to 125, they are the normal values if the GFR value come between these range. Below 60 to 15, it indicates the kidney diseases, and below 50, it will indicate the kidney failure. So glomerular filtration rate, the amount or the quantity that is detect the amount of the filtrate formation, that how much filtrate is formed by all the nephrons of both the kidneys. So it is used to assess the functions of the kidneys, that their quantity and their amount tells about the working of the kidneys. So the kidneys, if they are working normal, their values will come between the 60s to 125 milliliter per minute, and if they are not working properly, then their and if their filtrate formation is not normal, then their values will be less than 60.